Hi, it's Adam with WebStarts. In this short video, I'm going to show you some new and very handy features that we just released for the mobile version of WebStarts. So I'm logged into my mobile account, and you can see here I have a thumbnail to my website. And if I scroll down the page, I have an application here called Files and Folders, and maybe you've already seen Files and Folders. I made a video about it for the desktop recently, but in this video I'm going to be sharing some of the features about Files and Folders on the mobile phone. But before I get into that, I do want to invite you to tap the subscribe button and enable the notifications. That way you'll be the first to find out when I release a new video on search engine optimization, web design, internet marketing, and things like that. All right, so let's go ahead and tap this Files and Folders panel, and what that does is it brings up the files view, and these are all the files that you have uploaded to your WebStarts website. So these are sorted by website, so you can have multiple websites in a single WebStarts account, of course, and if you drill down to a specific website, you'll be viewing all of the files that you've uploaded for that website. Now, there's a lot of things that you can do with your files. Of course, you can use them to create web pages, and you can place the different images and the different music files and things, videos on your website, whatever you want to do. But you can also use the cloud storage just as a great place to securely store the files that you want to have access to. And that's a benefit because, number one, sometimes when you're on the run or on the go, you don't have access to your home or business computer, but maybe it has a certain file on it you want to share, whether it be a contract, a document, or an image or whatever. Well, you can just upload those documents and those images or videos or whatever the file type is to the WebStarts cloud, and then you can actually access those files anywhere that you can log in, regardless of the device, because now the files, of course, are living in the WebStarts cloud and not on that local device. So here you can see that up here in the top right, there's a menu, and you can select to view just your image files. You can select to view just your video files, your music, and you can even select your documents. You also have some options down here, like you can view all of the files that you have yet to sort. If you want to sort your files, you can place them into a custom folder just by clicking on it or tapping on it, and then selecting the folder that you'd like to move that specific file to, and then tapping move. And you can see there's a little notification at the bottom indicating that I moved a file into, in this case, the template folder. You can also create new folders down here. If you, let's see, let's hide that out of the way. If I tap this create new folder, I can put in a folder name right there, and then I can create a new folder, and I can start sorting my files and placing them in all kinds of folders. So you can stay very organized using this file storage app. All right, let's take a look at some of the other features. I'm actually going to log into a different website because I want to show you one of the most handy things, which is sharing a document. I don't have any documents on this particular, but you know what? Let me add a document. So that's a good point. You can add a file at any time just by tapping this big plus, and you can browse your iPhone, for example. So if I want to just put this boarding pass, which is a document, it's a PDF file, up onto the cloud, I just tap that. There it is. It's on the cloud. I can double tap it to preview that. So whether that's a document like a contract or whatever it is, you can view it right on your mobile phone, and then you can tap share. You can copy it to the clipboard, and then that allows you to paste it, let's say, for example, into an email or into a text message, or you can just share it straight to an email or text message, Facebook, Twitter, or in your WhatsApp. So if I want to just send this as a text message to somebody, I just pop in their phone number, tap OK, and then it's going to send a short message that says, hey, I wanted to share this file with you, and then it gives a link to the file. And you can do that with your documents, with your images, or any file type. So you can do it with a video, and this is just extremely handy for sharing your files with people and not having to worry about having them on a specific device, whether it be, again, your phone or your computer at work or your computer at home. It's just a great way to, have some extra productivity. And let's see, what other features does this include? Of course, you have your deleted files down here. So if you've deleted something, it'll stay in there for 7 days, and then the trash will automatically be emptied. Or you can tap to delete things just by tapping on tapping the trash icon. I'm not going to do that for this demo, but that's about it. So be sure to log on to webstarts.com. You can sign up and create an account, and you can use it just for file storage. You don't need to build a whole website by visiting webstarts.com and just signing up for the free account there. And be sure to tune in next time and see more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching.